Hello everyone, my name is Noel Ademba and today we are going to do the unboxing of the smart interactive screen known as the IdeaHub. Basically the IdeaHub comes with different peripherals. This is the rolling stand, this is the mounting stand which you can mount it on the wall, and then we have the remote, we have the Idea share key, and then we have the OPS. And then finally, this is the IdeaHub 65-inch B2. We'll start with the rolling stand, and then after the rolling stand, we'll unbox the IdeaHub. Now we mount it onto the rolling stand. Now the OPS is now the one that has the Windows 10. So as you can see, the fans are here. It must be on the outside when you're placing it, so it faces on the outside. So you just place it here and then